So this is the ice that you get out of the ice maker. It makes really nice cubed ice. It's a lot of fun to have, especially on a hot summer day. So let's have a look at the ice maker itself and some of the functionality and how this thing works. So we are looking at this ice maker today. It does come with some bags that you can put ice in, as well as the scoop. The way this works is you pour water up top here, makes ice, comes through there, and then it catches all the ice here. Here is the display. It says what the temperature is. This is actually the room temperature. Let's go ahead and put some water in and try it out. Alright, let's go ahead and turn this on. Ice mode, super fancy. When you add the water, you want to make sure that it is below this line. That's the full line. So I can still add quite a bit of water. The plus and minus buttons determine how large the ice cubes will be. So the larger the number here, the larger the ice cubes will be. So you can use this timer button to set when you want it to stop making ice. This obviously is to turn on and off. The timer button, if you hold it down for 5 seconds, it will put it into cleaning mode. This icon means it is in ice cube making mode right now. So right here you can see the countdown timer. If you look at the trays, you see it just drips the water down and it forms ice around the cold metal. Alright, we've got 1 minute left. This is what it looks like right before it comes out. So this is the piece that resulted on the largest size. And here it is. So this is how the ice comes out. This is the smallest size apparently. So this is a look underneath the ice maker. There is a valve there. And go ahead and drain all the water when you are done making ice. So yeah, there is some work involved with this ice maker. You'll have to break up the ice a little bit because it does come out in that waffle form. Now, I did get this ice maker for free to do this review. I've used several ice makers before. I will say with this ice maker, these results are some of the best results I've seen. I really like the ice that you get from it, but as you can see here, it does take a little bit more work. You have to break up the ice. It does come in kind of this waffle, so that's something to be aware of. Overall, nice cubes, but it does take a little bit of work.